Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to check cement quality on construction site. How to check cement quality on construction site. Cement quality checks, also called field tests on cement, are carried to check the quality of cement supplied at the site. This check provides idea cement quality based on color, touch, and feels, and other tests. The following are the field quality tests done to check cement quality at site. Color test of cement. The cement should be uniform throughout within bag. It should be gray or light greenish shade. Presence of lumps. The cement must be free from small lumps. Such lumps are formed due to absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. If any bag found to have such type of lumps should be rejected. Cement smoothness test. The cement should give a smooth feeling when touched or rubbed in between fingers, and if it is felt rough, it indicates adulteration with sand. Cement temperature test. As you immerse hand in cement, it should feel cement feel cool and not warm. Float test. In the float test, a small amount of cement is thrown in the water. The particles should float for some time before it sinks. Setting test. In this test, cement is mixed with water and made a paste on a piece of the glass plate. This thick paste kept under water for 24 hours. It should set and not crack. Strength of cement test. A cement block of size 25 mm x 25 mm and 200 mm long is prepared, and it is immersed for 7 days in water. After that, it is placed on supports 15 cm apart, and it is loaded with a weight of about 34 kilograms. The cement block should not show signs of failure. Date of packing. We know that strength of cement reduces with time, so it is important to check the manufacturing date of the cement. Normally the cement should be used before 90 days from the date of manufacturing. Points to check on a cement bag before buying. Check manufacturer name and trademark. On a cement bag, you have to check the manufacturer's name and its registered trademark. If the name and trademark are not properly printed or there is any spelling mistake, then the cement bag may be duplicated. Indian Standard Mark. We must check the ISI mark printed in black color on the cement bags. The ISI mark ensures about quality of cement that meets the requirements as per Indian standard, or the cement packed in the bag has fulfilled every requirement of the specifications. Cement grade. We must check the grade and type of cement printed on a cement bag. On the cement bag front side there should be mentioned OPC 53 in words also. For example, ordinary Portland cement, 53 grade ordinary Portland cement, 53S grade, whichever is applicable. MRP of cement bag. MRP, maximum retails price, check is also important to check on a cement bag. The supplier or manufacturer can fool us by selling the cement bag for a price more than MRP. Therefore, verifying the MRP before buying the cement bag will help the consumer to avoid any kinds of frauds. Batch/control unit number. Check there should be batch control unit numbers in terms of the week, the month and year of packing must be printed on the cement bag. It is secure to use a cement bag that is recently packed, usually less than 3 months. Stitching of cement bag. Refilling the cement by mixing with other components in the factory-made bags can be found out by checking the bag stitchings. To avoid duplicate adulterated cement, check the cement bag stitchings precisely. The restitched bags certainly look different, as they cannot mimic the original factory-made stitching. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.